Hello, families. Wanted to create I hope, a more helpful video for getting your child started on Razz reading. Please have them watch it, and you can watch it together. So I have an iPad up on the screen, so you can see this from exactly what it looks like on your iPad. Please go get your iPad, open it up, and do exactly what I'm doing and follow along so that by the end of this video, you are logged in and know how to get into Razz reading and what to do. And your parents will help you if you get stuck. So off we go. Open up to this screen and click on the Kids A to Z robot. When you do that, this is what you will see. You go below the dotted line and select this robot that says Sarah Hines. Now you're going to find your number. So whatever your number is, that's what you click on. The numbers 6, 7, 8, 9 were required to have 2 digits, or 2 things. So you have an A. After that, it was unnecessary. So if you're low and you're 6, you're going to see 6A. Braxton will see 7A. And then once we get to 10, the A has disappeared. My number is 20, so I'm going to model this showing you mine. Once you click on it, you also have to put your password in. So you have to click inside that rectangle until you see the blue, see this, flashing line. And then once that's there, it's the same number. I was 20, so I'll click 20. This is Lowell doing this. He'll see, it's not showing up here. I'm not sure why. Come on. Well, what you have here is you'll put your number in, and once that's done, you'll click go. Wi-Fi at school must be slow, so it's taken a while. Once you get your number in there, and if you've forgotten any of that, you just ask me and I'll get it to you. You want to go to the second, I should say the lowest robot that says level up. And in there you will see only the books that I've chosen just to match where you're at as a reader. Now what you see is not all there is. If you scroll with your finger up, you will notice that there are more books and more books. And you keep going to the end until you see these two right here. Now, once you've chosen a book you want to read, you want to set a timer for 10 minutes. I want you to be practicing for 10 minutes a day. The first thing you're going to do is, I'm going to pick the camping one because I love camping. So I pick the headphones first, and it will open up and read the book to you. So I'm going to click the headphones again. All right. And now the book will read it exactly to you how it sounds. You'll get to hear the patterns. They'll highlight the words. And when the book is all done, I'm going to go quickly to the end just because of time. So when the story is all finished, you're going to see an arrow I'll wait till the screen catches up. And when you click on that arrow, you have to do that in the top right corner. It'll get the stars. Then you come down here to the bottom and you click the blue book. And then you select the microphone that's in the top right corner here, and you can record yourself. So you click on that. Oh, it won't let you record, so just ignore that. And what you're going to do is read the story out loud. Now, all you have to do are read these large words. It says, "We go camping." We go camping. And all these smaller words that are all over like this, don't need to read those or even worry about these. If you get stuck on a word, you go over it and you click on it, and they'll read it. They'll make it highlighted, and they'll read it for you. So you practice reading the whole book. It's exactly the same. Copying the words and remembering patterns is just how kids do learn to read. That's the right way to do it. When you get all the way to the end, there's in here an activity and some questions you can read and discuss if you have an adult around with you. If you're on your own, you skip it and click and you will get to the part where you've finished it completely. Then you click this word, D-O-N-E, it says done. And that will automatically celebrate the work that you've done and bring you right back to where you can choose your next book. And you keep reading until your 10-minute timer is finished. Okay? Now, your parents and I will be checking to make sure that you actually read and listen to every single page. Your iPad sends a report to me letting me know how long you take. So if you get impatient or for whatever reason are going too fast and your brain and your eyes are not actually paying attention, um, I'll get notified of that and I will turn the stars off. It is more important that you honestly think and work and get a good work habit and work honestly. That's much more important than earning stars. Hopefully, you can do both. But if it gets tempting and you start going too fast, it's called, then I will take the star option away. If you still have questions or get stuck with anything, give me a call. If you are going to read this for 10 minutes, 3, 4, 5 times a week, you will be able to go through these books once within a week or two, and then you can start on them a second time and just try reading them without listening if you get to that point. Once you've gone through all of the stories, I will know and see if you're ready to go to the next level or not. I'll do a little reading check with you. All right. Have fun, readers.